Have you ever wondered how you can make money using Printful? Well, ponder no more. This video breaks down the process into clear, easy-to-follow steps. So sit back, relax, and let's unravel the Printful money-making mystery. Printful, an on-demand order fulfillment and warehousing service, offers a unique way to earn money. It's all about creating and selling custom products online. It doesn't require any upfront investment or inventory, which makes it a risk-free venture. The first step on this rewarding journey is setting up a Printful account. It's quite straightforward, with a user-friendly interface that guides you through the entire process. Once the account is up and running, the next step is to create a storefront. This online shop is where you'll display your products for prospective customers. You can either integrate it with an existing website or use one of Printful's recommended platforms. The third step is where the magic happens. It's time to design your products. This could be anything from t-shirts, hoodies, to coffee mugs or phone cases. Printful provides a mock-up generator tool that helps you visualize your designs on the selected products. After the design phase, it's time to set your prices. It's crucial to strike a balance here. Price your products too high, and you might deter potential customers. Price them too low, and you may not make a profit. So take time to research and understand your market before setting the prices. Next, it's all about marketing your store and products. You can use social media, email newsletters, or even paid advertising to reach your target audience. Remember, the more visibility your products have, the higher the chances of making a sale. The final step is fulfilling orders. Once a customer makes a purchase, Printful takes over. They print, pack, and ship the product to your customer. You simply sit back and enjoy the profits. To recap, making money with Printful involves setting up an account, creating a storefront, designing products, setting prices, marketing, and fulfilling orders. This process may seem daunting at first, but with patience and persistence, it can lead to a steady income stream. So, are you ready to dive into the world of Printful and start making money? Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. And in this case, that step is setting up your Printful account.